Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to hide story suggestions on Snapchat, step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, open up the Snapchat app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in. Step 2. Now swipe left or tap the bottom navigation bar to go to the People tab. This is where you'll find your chat list and suggested stories. Step 3. At the top of the chat list, you'll see both your friends and some suggested stories. These are the ones we're going to hide. Step 4. Find the story or profile you don't want to see, then tap and hold on it. A menu will pop up right in front of you. Step 5. In the menu, tap on Ignore Friend Recommendation. This will stop Snapchat from suggesting that profile to you in the future. Step 6. Next, tap on Hide to remove that story from the profile entirely. This will make sure it won't pop up again. Step 7. If there are other stories you want to hide, just repeat the same steps. It's really that simple. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.